In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge levels in the Xsheet timeline. We'll start by opening the Xsheet, which is the timeline that displays your animation as a stack of vertical columns. Each column represents a layer, sometimes called a level, and each row corresponds to a frame in time. If your workspace isn't already showing the Xsheet view, switch to it so you can clearly see the columns you want to work with. Next, identify the first column you want to merge. This is the layer that will serve as the base for the merge. Click the column to select it and make sure you've actually clicked the column header at the top so it's highlighted. The header is the best place to interact with column-specific commands and ensures you're targeting exactly the layer you intend to modify. With that column selected, right-click directly on its header to open the context menu. This menu contains commands that affect the selected layer. From this list, choose Merge Levels. This option is designed to combine the drawings from one column with another, consolidating them into a single level while keeping their visual content aligned in time. After you choose Merge Levels, you'll be prompted to pick the other column you want to merge with. Go ahead and click the header of the second column you want to combine. You're telling the software to fold the drawings from the second column into the first, creating one unified level. This is particularly helpful when you've separated related artwork like line work and effects into different layers and now want them managed as one. Once you've selected that second column, the merge takes place. The two layers are combined into a single level and the drawings from both columns are kept together on the same frames. You'll notice the timeline is cleaner and you now have one column representing what used to be two. The exposures and timing remain aligned, so what you see after the merge should match the combined look you had before, just simplified into a single layer. This approach is great for organizing complex scenes, reducing column clutter, and preparing elements for downstream steps like cleanup or export. Keep in mind that merging levels consolidates content for easier management. It's meant for situations where those elements will always live together visually. If you rely on separate layers for independent adjustments, keep them separate until you're sure they belong as one. And that's it. Open the Xsheet, select your first column, right-click its header, choose Merge Levels, select the other column, and you've successfully combined them into a single tidy level.